Here's my wee high capa. This is the dragon version, and I painted it a gold tiger. Doesn't come out so good on the camera, however it looks really good in person. We'll probably eventually get around to making a video on how to paint your gun, like so. We use really high quality paint, so you can't even scratch this off even if you wanted to. So we'll be doing videos on how to paint the different kinds of tigers, like the one you see here. Different woodland type of things. And maybe even digital. I'm not too sure about that yet. But yeah.